What is going on, guys? GregglesTV, a user on Weibo, which is a Chinese social networking site akin to Facebook, released a 10-second, supposed 10-second video of the Galaxy S9 showing the response, like the touch test, how fast it goes when you touch the keyboard. And you see a little bit of the phone and it's blurry and this and that. But it's kind of cool to see because this could be the very first actual video of the Galaxy S9. And as you can see in the video, the bezels on this are really small, and that is going in line with what we expect from the Galaxy S9, at least the bottom bezel on there, because you can't see at the top. The side bezel is obviously not really anything because it has a curved display. The other cool thing or interesting thing about this is that you can see that the response time really good, and that's to be expected. Most likely, even if this is running the Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810, the international version, it should have excellent response time. The Galaxy Note 8 did, and so just a high performer overall. Should be no issues with performance with this phone, at least that we hope with. So other than the slim bezel at the bottom, curved display, and good response time on the screen, there's really not much more to take from this. It's a overall grainy, kind of blurry type video. So hopefully we'll get more videos as time goes on for sure. And if we do, I will definitely talk about that. But anyways, guys, I want to leave it into you guys. What do you think about this leak of the Galaxy S9? Do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? What do you think about it so far? Are you excited for it? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm excited for the Galaxy S9. I'm always excited for new phones. Have them be the Pixel, Galaxy phones, LG phones, which I haven't gotten in a while, the OnePlus. There's so many good phones, guys, to be excited about, and this is definitely one of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!